Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant error Van57. Step 1. Explain the error. If you are getting error Van57 while opening Valorant, it means Riot Vanguard isn't running properly on your PC. Step 2. Restart your PC. First restart your PC or computer. This simple step often fix Valorant Vanguard startup issue. Step 3. Check Vanguard server. After restarting, press Windows plus R, type service.msc and press enter. Scroll down and find BGC. Step 4. Start the BGC service. Double check BGC. Set startup. Type to automatic. Then click start. Press apply. Then OK. Step 5. Restart again. Restart your PC one more time to apply the chances. Step 6. Reinstall Riot Vanguard. If the error continues, uninstall Riot Vanguard from the control panel. Then open Valorant again. It will automatically reinstall Vanguard. Step 7. Final check. Launch Valorant. If Vanguard starts correctly, error Van57 will be gone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.